Oh, I need to tune this puppy. Yo,
Joe. Yeah.
What the heck, man? Yo.
Joe.
Come on. Seriously?
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah.
Okay. Yo,
Joe.
for the love of God. Why are you saying that?
Yeah. No, it all makes sense. Soon.
Okay. Oh, okay, right.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Yeah.
I'm eumonik. Thank you for joining. If it's your first time or once again, it is quite awesome to have you here because there's at least 1,000 of us now. 1,000 of you joining me on my musical adventure, and I'm very thankful for that. I want to give you some free things that are quite awesome. First, to start off, 70 unique sounds from videos that I've recorded this year, all curated and crafted by yours truly. Now, this celebratory sample pack of 70 amazing sounds does include the drums from my Making Lo-Fi with a Ukulele to Restore My Soul video that were actually specifically requested in a comment recently. The Singing Gnomes, if you remember those, from my I Made a Chill Beat with my tin can microphone sample pack, another free sample pack I put out, that video. Yeah, that sound was hard to forget. And the auto-tuned Banjo.
Joe. Yeah.
From my Veloco video. Now, speaking of Banjo...
Joe.
Yo, you need to stop.
Joe.
Yo.
YoJo.
YoJo?
You got it, man.
YoJo.
I told you.
It's genius.
Yeah. All right. Peace.
YoJo. YoJo. It's genius. It's genius. Hold on. I gotta call Daniel right now. Wait, he sent me a video? Let's watch it.
Hello, my fellow music makers. My name is Daniel with reflektaudio.com. I want to thank you all for tuning in today. I want to give a special thanks before I continue this video to eumonik for inviting me on the video and doing this awesome collaboration project with me. Together, eumonik and I are bringing you all a 100% free VST plugin called YoJo.
This is a genius. That's exactly what I wanted.
What I want to go ahead and do with my time in this video is basically go over the GUI.
Oh, GUI. I call it a GUI. It stands for Graphical User Interface, for those that don't know. It's just a fancy looking thing. You know, the thing with the banjo and all the knobs. Looks so good. Okay, carry on.
And let you hear some of the beats that I was actually cooking up with this. As you can see right here on the actual plugin, we have a cancel sound, an expansion search, we have a sample preview, we also have an info icon. We have layers, we have envelope, and we have effects. 4 different layers that consist of a main layer, a flavor layer, a low and a high that you can actually blend together to make one full banjo sound or use them individually. They all come with a pan, volume, and bypass button for the layers. For the envelope, you get attack, decay, sustain, and release. And the effects, you get 3 essential effects which consist of a reverb, filter, and the pitch.
Oh.
It is Windows and Mac compatible. What I want to go ahead and do is let you guys hear some of the beats I was actually cooking up with this bad boy.
Daniel's about to cook up some heat with the YoJo. This is bound to be awesome. Let's check it out. Sounds so good. Hear all the layers? There's 4 layers of banjo. How awesome is that? Yes! Oh, that is good.
The YoJo is an amazing sounding instrument. I personally love this instrument. Once again, thank eumonik and each and every one of you all for tuning in. I'm going to go ahead and pass the video back on to eumonik. And again, I want to thank you all. You all have a great day.
YoJo, who would have thought of that? It's awesome and it's free for you because I'm just really thankful for you being here and joining me. So I think the banjo is a very underestimated instrument outside of country and bluegrass music. We need more banjo, and I want you to have your own YoJo. 4 layers of awesomeness with some effects, and you can really dial it to taste and however you want it to sound. All credit is due to Daniel and the Reflekt audio brand because he really put this together. All I did was record my wonderful banjo on a microphone that probably had a little bit too much noise on it. It does give the sound some character, but be aware of that. Sent those files to him and he crafted something amazing, and he was awesome to work with. It's crazy how we actually got in contact. Back when I had like 100 subscribers, I really don't know. Somehow he found me and he reached out to me. Now the wild thing is, at that same time in life, I was really thinking and cultivating the idea of having my own plugin. I wanted to develop it, but it just takes too much time. So I was like, in the future, at some point I'm gonna do that. And within that same time, he contacted me and honestly was like, yo, eumonik, you're awesome. I want to make a plugin for you. I'm not kidding. This is a true story. Since then, Daniel and I have become friends and we've worked on several different ideas, YoJo being one of them that is finally here for you. So I just want you guys to enjoy it. And as much as Daniel and I have enjoyed making it, it's just a really cool thing. It's unique. It has its own sound and its own character, like I said, with the microphone hiss and the noise and just this specific banjo. So he turned it into something really awesome and really easy to use. That's what I wanted to focus on. There's just a few knobs and you can use it. It's for VST and audio units, so you can use it in whatever recording software that you're using. And it is free. It is completely free. Now, before I end this video, I want you to know that I updated my website because Native Instruments released a new machine. Look at this. It's orange. That's all that's different from the black one, but something about it just captured me. And I've been looking to switch up my gear or add it's something that's more focused on hardware for making beats, and this just hook, line, sinker grabbed me. I'm completely sold on it and I want one, but it would be really foolish for me to spend $600 on it right now. But if you head over to eumonik.com, you can donate. I haven't asked for money before. I've released other sample packs. I do all of this for free. If in some way you felt inspired, throw me $1, throw me $5. All of that is going to contribute towards the eumonik Orange Machine Fund. I promise. That's all it's going to get spent on. If I don't reach the $600 goal, then I'll use it on a camera or something in the future, but it is going to go to this channel. The goal is that. So if there's 1,000 people, you know, like if 100 people watch this video and they all gave $5, I know it's a long shot. It's kind of a meme. It's kind of a joke. Like I tweeted it at Native Instruments and said like, yo, I'm going to start a GoFundMe. And then I thought, why not? Why not? Let's have some fun. There's no obligation though. Seriously, it's all in good fun. I'm gonna make music regardless, and someday I'll get a machine. Hopefully it'll be orange. Have fun. Enjoy the YoJo. Daniel, once again, thank you. And to all of you, thank you very much for rocking with me. You are awesome. Keep being awesome. Go have fun and make some music. I would play this as an outro, but it's just not in tune. So, fade to black.